Okay, my people, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So, my channel is based on eating for your energy and for strength. Yeah. Sometimes eating can be a little bit tricky. Sometimes we eat what we like. Sometimes we eat what is more affordable at the time. Sometimes we eat what is more convenient, what we have around with. So I'm trying to eat more from the heart. So today this video it's about I'm gonna make fried plantain. So this is plantain. I'm gonna make my fried plantain today with fried dumpling. So I get the flour and we make a fried dumpling and fried plantain. This is saltfish. Some people call it codfish. Some people call it saltfish. It's a different story how to get the salt out of the fish. But we can talk about that at another time. Yeah. So this is my saltfish. I'm gonna make steamed callaloo. So the green callaloo, that's what I'm gonna prepare now. Some people do it with saltfish, some do it without saltfish. It's optional. You can add your saltfish, you don't have to add your saltfish. So I have my onion, my scallion, some people call it green onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, black pepper, salt, tomato, all those things you add to your steamed callaloo. And you boil your saltfish, soak it, boil it, rewash it, boil it, clean it up, remove all the bone, pick it up in bits and pieces, wash it again to remove all the salt. This is callaloo. So the nice fresh callaloo, clean it up, chop it up, wash it, and it's up and running, up and ready to go. So this is it. Yeah. I'm gonna make callaloo and saltfish today with fried dumpling and fried plantain. And that's gonna be my next video. That's a very good, enjoyable meal. So my food always have something behind it. There's always something. Callaloo is a very good food. It's good for your skin, it's good for your liver, it's good for your blood count. And sometimes a lot of people go to the doctor and the doctor said, oh, you have low iron. And you have low iron, there's a lot of stuff to feed on. One of them is callaloo. Callaloo is very, very high in iron content. Mostly for ladies. Men and women can eat callaloo, but for ladies, mostly, when at the time of the year when they're passing their blood and losing so much blood, callaloo is a very good thing to eat to build up at their iron level, so you don't, what they call it, you don't lose too much blood of like iron. So that's a good thing to eat. So at the end of it, you'll see the rest of the video. So I wash my green, and now it's time to chop it. Now it's time to chop it. So I chopped here and put in the inside here. So this, we call this callaloo. Some people call it green, some people call it spinach. So some people will tell you this is spinach, some people will tell you it's callaloo, some African country gonna tell you it's green. So there's so much different name for the one thing, but it's very, very healthy food, very good for your iron content, as I say. Yeah. Now I'm ready to put it on the stove. So everything is in my Dutch pot. Put it to cooked. And remember, as I said, the saltfish is optional. You can add it to it. So I boil the saltfish. After boiling the saltfish, pick it up, wash it, boil it, clean out all the salt. Then I can add it to it in the middle of cooking. Add it to it. If you want to use any saltfish inside. So now it's time to enter the stove. And them say everywhere you go, and so nice. Yeah, callaloo. So that's callaloo and saltfish. Fried plantain. That's the plantain. Nice golden brown color. Fried plantain. And this is the fried dumpling I'm doing here now. In the middle of doing the fried dumpling. Getting them ready. Now this is it. Yeah. So that's the green, the callaloo. Up close and personal. Whoa! Oh, I damaged my light by pulling it too far. Okay. Sorry, I just damaged my ring light. So, fried dumpling, the callaloo, fried plantain. That's the bread. That's how we serve it. There's a different way you can have it with. This is white rice, some nice fluffy white rice with the callaloo. So, there's so much different stuff you can serve it with. Whatever of your choice. So, always eat and enjoy. See you in the next video. Please thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thank you.